Vaginal odor. Hmm. What is normal and what should concern you? Every woman needs to hear this. Let's be real. Have you imagined entering a room after having your bath on, after having sex with your husband, and somebody enter and say, you just finished something? Do you know what happens? The vaginal odor. Come to think of it, it's not a laughing matter, all right? But there's something you need to know. The fact vagina have a scent, a mild scent. When your partner or your friend, or you can perceive your odor yourself, there is something wrong. So today we are going to be talking about vagina, what is normal and what should concern you, what should call your attention to your body. All right, welcome to the space where we talk openly on feminine health. No shame, no confusion, just real answer. Now let's get down to it. Vagina is not supposed to smell like perfume. You need to get that. It has its own smell. And as a matter of fact, as a woman, your vaginal scent, I don't want to be using smell, all right, changes over time. The change can come as a result of hormone. When you have hormonal imbalance, you can have different smell, all right? And every month, at each stages, your vaginal smell change with the discharge. Okay, let me break it down. After your menstrual cycle, the discharge you have will be brownish. Will have some will be darker. So that shows that you just finished your menses. So 3 or 4 days after that, you have a different discharge, which might not be much. At that time, your estrogen level is down. All right, you might not have discharge, or you have a lesser discharge. That might not attract anything. So before your ovulation, there will be a lot of discharge. You should bear me witness, women, you understand? And during your ovulation, you have a different discharge that is slippery, different kind of discharge, showing that you are ovulating. But that does not mean that ovulation or that discharge should smell in such a way that other persons knows you have heavy discharge. Here is where you need to pay attention. Not all odor are harmless. Having a vaginal odor is your body telling you or giving you a signal of imbalance in the vaginal area or the environment. Imagine a man coming to a therapist, okay, and saying, I have a girlfriend. Anytime I meet this girl, I can actually lick down there and I go over more than a round. And when it comes to my wife, I find it difficult to actually stay for 5 minutes. What is wrong? And I asked the question, how do you feel when you have her? He said, there's one thing that I don't know if it's odor that comes from her heart, unlike this other lady. That means there is an issue we are not seeing. And everybody thinks vagina should smell. Oh boy, vagina does not smell. Example, strong fishy smell. There are some odor that when you have quickie with your husband and the person that enters the room understand that you just had quickie, that kind of smell. That kind of smell is what I'm talking about. Foul, rotten smell, yeast-like smell that smells like bread, like Those days when we used to have bread in the house that you forget that you have bread somewhere. When you collect it after 3 days, you saw that it has smoke on. And when you perceive it, that kind of smell. When you see it coming out from someone. So now, what we need to do is actually to pay attention in our body. And surprisingly, many women did not know the smell. How is that possible? So now, joke apart. These are the reasons why we have vaginal odor, like unusual odor that we don't pay attention to. When you have bacterial in your body, when you have yeast infection, when you have poor hygiene, you don't clean down there. You don't clean the clitoris. You just go down and just wash off, just like that. Water is good to wash off your body. But what about the folds? We have folds. Can you just open the folds and clean? Poor hygiene habits. Using tampon from morning till evening. Using the same pad for monthly flow from morning till evening, not changing it, and giving an excuse of you are busy. That's like inviting problem to yourself. And no, it's not about being dirty. It's about working on the balance, the vaginal balance, keeping healthy vagina. Here is where women make things worse, unknowing to them. Covering up odor. Have you seen a place where a woman said, I'm using this tissue because it has smell, and because of my body smell will not come out for people to see? Covering up odor. Why would you do that? Using scented soap to wash off so that people will not know you have vaginal odor. And some people knows their vagina smells. Instead for them to look for solution, they cover it up with scent. Here is what we should do. Pay attention to your body smell, your vaginal smell, so that when there is deviation, you know what to do. Then stop using harsh products. Stop using scented products. Let's fix problem instead of covering it up. Wear breathable underwear, maintain good hygiene, and note if something feels off, unusual, seek medical help. Stop covering things up. Ask questions. If the odor is strong, persistent, or you are feeling discomfort, cry out. Say something. Early detection or early attention will prevent a bigger issue. Trust your body. It knows when something is off. And your body is not what you feel embarrassed about. It's what you need to pay proper attention to.
This is Know Your Vagina Series with Dr. Fid. See you in the next episode, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.